Good morning, I'm James Preston and welcome to the Morning Outlook, exclusive to Kalkine TV, where we give you all the information you'll need for a successful day of trading. Australian shares are likely to begin the week on a solid note after a strong closing by Wall Street last Friday. The domestic market is expected to trade higher as investors look to play down concerns around interest rate hikes. On the other hand, improving underlying prices could help to aid commodities. According to the latest SPI futures, the benchmark ASX 200 is likely to open 103 points or 1.6% higher. Metcash Ltd is among the ASX-listed firms that are set to release their full-year results today. In the US, the Dow Jones rose by 2.7%, the S&P 500 surged by 3.1%, and the Nasdaq ended a strong 3.3% higher. Last week, the benchmark S&P 500 confirmed a bear market, and the MSCI's gauge of stocks across the globe surged by 2.63%. In Europe, markets enjoyed a positive end to the week on Friday. London's FTSE rose by 2.68%, the German DAX rose by 1.59%, and the French CAC 40 rose by a staggering 3.23%. Asian markets also finished the week in the green. Japan's Nikkei rose by 1.23%, China's Shanghai Composite saw a marginal increase of 0.89%, and Hong Kong's Hang Seng was the biggest gainer, surging by 2.09%. Alright, time now for a quick break here on the Morning Outlook before we take a look at the Aussie dollar, oil, gold and the world of crypto. Tune in to get the latest information.
Whether it's about market movements or the currency graph,
sectoral coverage or industry news.
We cover it all on our news segments.
Be on top of the latest news
with Kalkine TV.
Welcome back to the Morning Outlook here on Kalkine TV, where we give you all the information you'll need for a successful day of trading. The Aussie dollar is trading just under 70 US cents at present and has been largely stable over the past 5 days. In the past 24 hours, it's seen a marginal increase of 0.19%. Moving on, and oil prices rebounded on Friday, rising by over $3 buoyed by tight supply. However, oil recorded its second weekly fall on the back of worries that surging rates could lead the global economy into recession. Brent crude ended up by 2.8% to trade at $113.12 a barrel, and WTI crude closed 3.2% higher at $107.62 a barrel. Gold prices also inched higher. On Friday, gold prices rose as concerns around recession increased its appeal as a safe haven material. Spot gold gained 0.2% to settle at $1,826.39 an ounce. Meanwhile, copper ended 0.5% lower at $8.36 on Friday on the London Metal Exchange. Earlier it hit $8,122.50, down by 25% from a peak in March. Dalian iron ore futures settled on a higher note last Friday after an all-time high 10-session fall. However, iron ore prices were under stress in Singapore on account of weak demand outlook from China, which is the world's top producer of steel. And lastly, the crypto market enjoyed some growth throughout Friday and Saturday before dipping on Sunday. In the past 24 hours, the global crypto market capitalisation has decreased by 1.51% to be valued at approximately $948 billion, up from Friday morning's market cap of $926 billion. Flagship cryptocurrency Bitcoin has fallen by 1.48% in the past 24 hours, but has increased by 2.86% over the past week to currently sit just above $21,000. Alright, that's all for this edition of the Morning Outlook. Have a great day trading and make sure to keep it locked here on Kalkine TV for the latest market insights and business news. I'm James Preston, reporting for Kalkine.